How to add C translation on Instagram bio. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can add the C translation button on our Instagram bio, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Instagram, and you might have noticed other people, maybe sometimes when they upload the story, you would find a C translation button in their bio, right? Now there isn't a specific way to add it, so unless it is in language other than non-English, so if it is in some other languages, maybe Japanese or Chinese or Korean or other languages like that, it will automatically give you the C translation button. So when you go to a bio and write your bio in maybe language that you don't understand, then others don't understand, not aside from English, then at that time it will give you the C translation button on your bio. So to add that option, you just have to translate any bio that you want to other languages to see the translation option. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.